Welcome to Ask AutoTrader, where we answer your burning questions. In studio with me today we have Martin Pretorius. Martin, welcome.
Thank you, Lawrence.
All right, so a question that's come through from one of our viewers wanting to know how you would go about buying replacement airbags.
Well, the obvious route to go is via the agent. Your car's airbag is designed especially for your car, so it's folded and it's shaped in a specific way to suit your car's crash protection system. So the only way to really replace it is by going back to the agents and buying an airbag for your specific car. Now, there are some aftermarket service providers as well. Some of them are accredited, some of them are not. It's best to go either with the OEM, with the agents, or with an accredited service or airbag service provider.
At this point, I'd like to add that an airbag is actually a very dangerous piece of equipment, and is not something that you really want to be fiddling with if you don't know what you're doing.
No.
I would say that if you are even at the point of looking to replace an airbag, just take the car to the OEM and have them deal with it.
Correct.
Take it to an installation professional. Don't even go and dig in with the wires. The last thing you need is something exploding on you.
Well, apart from that, yes, the airbag has an explosive charge in it. So it's literally like
a hand grenade.
Or a firecracker. But apart from that, once the airbags have exploded, in most cars, that would automatically trigger the seatbelt pretension as well.
As well as the control unit.
And then the control unit only allows one detonation cycle for these airbags. So if the airbags have deployed, the control unit will have logged it, so you have to replace the control unit as well as the seatbelt pretension as well.
So, well, pretty much what you're saying is if a car has been in an accident severe enough to trigger the airbag system and all the other safety systems, that's probably why insurance companies just tend to write them off.
Correct.
They don't replace these things because of the cost involved.
Well, going through the OEMs, I think the last time I checked, a replacement airbag for something stupid like the Volkswagen Polo was something like 15,000 Rand. And if you replace 6 of those, and the cheapest one is 15,000, it gets really, really expensive really quickly.
Might as well just buy a new car.
Yeah.
Well, there you have it, folks. Your burning questions answered. If you have a question of your own, please go to the AutoTrader website, go to the Ask AutoTrader icon, send us your question. You may just see it on another upcoming episode.